What's up, everyone? It's Lucky Ass Gamer here. With a game I just found. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a series on it, but I might think about it. Just bringing up my account and stuff. But guys, I think you seen look at that dog right there, the one with the big puppy eyes, got his tongue licking out. Yeah, but guys, we are playing Dog Simulator. Nobody don't care about cats. Guys, put down in the description if you like cats better than dogs. If you do, that's a shame. Cats are the worst. But yeah, but let's get into this. What the freak? Oh, it's a plushie dog. Oh, what? Don't you bark at me? Ooh, a husky, a pinky, a basset. What the freak? This dog got like a cape in the front. Cape dog. Oh wow. A panda. Oh, it's a dog. Okay, I'm gonna just leave that alone. A goldie, a bulldog, white bulldog, a beagle, a greyhound, a zebra, a giraffe. Okay, I'm done. These are too many crazy dogs. You just cut down my volume. Oh, what's this? Oh, can we dress him up? Ooh, a gangster cap. Might get that later when I have a gangster dog. Okay. So, okay, can we put him on some shoes? Jeez. So let's just do this. Okay, just waiting for this again. Oh snap, I look so adorable. Okay, hold your finger on the joystick and drag it. Oh gee, give me time to read. Okay, so they showing us a lot of stuff. Okay. Time to mess up some things. Time for some doggy bowling. Go! Really? 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah. Yeah, I'm the real dog now. What up, lady? Yeah, dinner over. Get your behind out of here. Girl, what you doing up in here? Get these blocks out the way. Woo. Okay. Ooh, you got that new speaker? Let me mess that speaker up for you. Oh, you got your YouTube set up too? Oh, snap. Rolling. I'm rolling out, y'all. Woo. Get these stupid blocks out of here. Girl, is that the new TV flat screen? Oh, and you got a gaming console? It's a shame this gotta happen. Get that out of here. Oh, snap, around the table. Get that computer out of here, that cheap old crap. Man, what's up here? Get these chairs out of my way. Oh. Get that junk out of here. Yeah, you better run. My house. Okay. You gotta go back and get that other coin. Yeah. Come on, coin. Coin, please. No. Dang. But guys, I think we did good. Dang it. Nah, we did good. New level unlocked. Would you like to go there? Heck yeah. Oh, look at that cute black, brown, and white one back there. Nice cars. I got a car. My dad got a car exactly like that. Not that green one. Not that green one. That green one is too good. I'm talking about that red one. Loading. Time to upgrade your dog. What? What if I don't wanna? I don't want this ugly dog. You need to a stronger dog. Oh, I guess. I will miss you, brown dog. We took over the world, mostly in the main kitchen. But let's see how we can do with the backyard. Oh, he looks so cute. Nope, we don't want that. Yeah. Just, lady, will you please move? Oh, got some good old steak and weenies you got here. Yeah. Beer is not good. Yeah. Oh, get that beer out your hand, bro. This human look angry. Man, you ain't gangster. Get that junk out of here. Yeah. Oops. Hold up. Karen, we have some fried dogs up in here. Ah! Yeah. Give me that meat. Yeah. Guys, if you haven't noticed how my voice sounds, I'm eating on some bubble gum. Oh. Oh. Dude, you picked the wrong day to be up there. Haha. Nope. I am a nasty puppy. Dude, stop yelling help, cause you know nobody's not gonna help you. Ooh, look at that ball. Get all these green balls. Okay, dude, you fine? Okay. Yeah, get that out of here. Ooh, moonwalking. Dun, dun. Okay. So, yeah. Come here. Haha. You it. Come on, my brother. Trampoline time. Woo! Woo! Puppy up in the air. Hold up. That's fun right there. Don't worry, brother. Ah! Ah! Woo! Dang it. Come on. We is getting in that treehouse, everyone. Yeah. So, come on. Yes! Get all this out of here. My house. No, wait. Can we really set these off? I want to set them off bad. Trick shot. Come on. Yes! I made it. Let's see how high we can go. Don't worry, my brother. I'm coming back. Yo. Yo, bro, where you went? Oh, there you are. Come on, let's mess with this dude. What up, Papa Kachala? Yeah. Hey, don't you hit my brother. Haha. Jump for happiness. Ooh, we got an achievement. How did I not realize the achievement? Don't worry, brother. I'll come back for you. Time to go see the real world. No, I want to see the real world. Hey, don't touch that clock. Look at that emerald there. Yes. Look, brother. Dude, is you still up there? I'm sorry. Get that out of here. No, dude, nobody's coming to help you. Come on, my brother. Look at these gnomes. They think they can fight me. Show you. I'm gonna show you all. Get your little fat self out of here. Yeah, boy, you better fall. Man, y'all two ain't getting off that easy. Get out of here. Ooh, look, brother, let's go take a bath. Yeah. I wanna jump up on here. Dude, it's just crazy people. Oh snap, we can do that. Good. But yeah, crazy people in there, lawnmowers. No, bro, what they did? Come on, we can get out of here. Please, bruh. But guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right here with my cute self. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. I don't know if I don't know if I'm gonna do a series on this, but I'm sure I would. But as again, I'm Luckyx Gamer again with this amazing game. If you guys wanna get it, it's called Dog Simulator. It's a fun game, as you can see now. No glitches. Well, some of the stuff tends not to show up, but I think that's just something in the game that happens. But yeah, it's a fun game. If you want it, you can get it off Play Store. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode.